Okay, this is going to be a quick video showing off Logloader at the field with the Arc Jetson and the Momentum drones. It's a really nice day here, so let's go ahead and arm the drone. Let's take it off. Alright, let's go ahead and land it. Drone is disarmed. Now we are waiting for a log file to get uploaded. It's going to take a minute here since I'm on a hotspot. There it is. There's our log. Didn't even have to touch the drone. Now we can just open it here on Flight Review. There we go. This is going to make development so much easier. Alright. Nice spring day. Thanks for watching.